Welcome back, learners. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of biology to explore the incredible process of erythropoiesis, which is called the production of red blood cells in our bodies. So take your pen and notebook and let's know erythropoiesis in detail and what are its function and location. So basically, erythropoiesis is a vital process that occurs primarily in our bone marrow. It's responsible for ensuring our bodies have enough oxygen carrying red blood cells to keep us healthy and energized. Here we must remember that only oxygen carrying RBCs are considered as healthy cells because there are other kinds of RBCs which are produced due to abnormal conditions in our body. For example, anemia. Now, let's break it down step by step. To begin, we need to understand the primary location where erythropoiesis takes place, which is the bone marrow. Within our bones, we have a soft, spongy tissue known as the bone marrow. It can be found in the cavities of many bones throughout our bodies, such as the hip bone, sternum, ribs, and vertebrae. Within the bone marrow, we have specialized cells called hematopoietic stem cells, which are like the master builders of blood cells. These stem cells have the remarkable ability to differentiate and give rise to various blood cell types, including our red blood cells. The journey begins when these hematopoietic stem cells receive signals from our body that more red blood cells are needed. This can occur when oxygen levels in the body decrease, like during physical activity or at high altitudes. The hematopoietic stem cells then undergoes a process known as proliferation, where it starts to divide and multiply. One part of the cell continues to function as a stem cell, ensuring a constant supply, while the other part begins to differentiate into a specialized cell known as proerythroblast. As the proerythroblast matures, it goes through several stages, each marked by distinct changes in the cell structure and function. The proerythroblast becomes an early erythroblast, okay, then a late erythroblast, and finally into a reticulocyte. I'm sorry. At the reticulocyte stage, the cell's nucleus is expelled and it becomes a young, immature red blood cell. Now, it's almost ready to enter the bloodstream and start carrying oxygen. Now, let's see what happens when the reticulocyte becomes a fully matured red blood cell. So, it goes through a brief period of quality control where it undergoes various tests to ensure it's fully functional, right? If the cell passes these tests, it is released into the bloodstream where it will be circulated for about 120 days, because 120 days is its shelf life, serving its vital oxygen carrying role. Once in the bloodstream, these red blood cells travel throughout our body, delivering oxygen to our organs and tissues, while also removing waste products like carbon dioxide. It's truly an extraordinary process that keeps us alive and functioning optimally. And there you have it, the remarkable journey of red blood cell from the bone marrow to the bloodstream and performing its vital function.